Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Good afternoon.
Good evening. Good evening, Arun.
After 5 p.m.
It's not after 5 p.m. Please check the timing on Google.
Okay.
So after 3:30, after 4 o'clock, we have tea. So we wish others as good evening, at least in India. I'm not sure of the other countries.
Okay.
Okay.
But,
So did you have your tea?
yes, I have and
Good.
already taken before the session.
You've taken it before the session. Good. That's great. Are we meeting for the first time?
Yes, correct, ma'am.
Okay, Arun Kumar Gupta. So my name is Rini Rose. Thank you for choosing me.
Thank you.
And
Thank you.
I'll be taking sessions for you today. I hope I'm clear. Is my
Yeah,
voice clear?
yeah, everything. His voice
Okay,
clear and picture as clear. No issue.
thank you so much. So I'm just adjusting my camera. There's a small problem. Okay, fine. So now I'm a language trainer and also an author. I'm talking to you from Tamil Nadu. I'm based
Author means
writing books.
okay. Writing
Today
book.
is actually World Book Day. Today is World Book Day.
Okay, I'm not aware about that.
Yeah, I'm just telling you, 23rd April is World Book Day. And I think it is the birthday of Shakespeare, William Shakespeare.
Yes, I know about that, and I hear a lot of time about.
Yes, that's why it is the World Book Day. So, yeah, that's it. Can you tell me something about yourself? How long have you been on Clapingo and all that?
Sure, ma'am. My name is Arun Kumar Gupta. I'm from Uttar Pradesh, Devariya, and I have clear my graduation, passed my graduation, and after that, I'll doing my job as a technical support engineer in Delhi.
Okay, great. So, how long have you been on Clapingo?
Uh, this is my 36th session.
36. So, long time,
Yes.
very long time. Okay, so we'll have a random conversation. I need to analyze how you're speaking and all that. Any questions before I begin today's session?
No, I don't have any question.
So last 3 minutes, I'll give you time. I will also give you my feedback. You can give me your feedback about the session, okay, and what you learned, things like that. So shall I get started with the session? Go by the session document. My teaching style is totally different. I don't keep speaking about the session document. I have a different style. So I'll just let's just get started.
Yeah, right.
Okay, because we are meeting for the first time, I need to know what are your issues, if at all it is there. And then let me see. Okay,
Yes, sure.
so the first question is, I think it's easy for you. Can you please read these words?
In it behind.
In, at, behind. You need
Yes.
to make a sentence in the present tense with in. Use
Uh,
in to make a sentence in the present tense.
okay. Right now I am in the room.
Right now, I am in the room with at, future tense.
I am I am sorry. I am at a IT engineer on my top notch level. My parents is spend lot of money and time behind me.
That's not the problem. My parents is spend is wrong. Is for present tense. This is
My
past tense.
my
My
parent
parents
was
spent. No need of was also because the past tense of spend is spent. That is what
this.
you told now. So
My
my
parents
parents
spends
spent.
lots of time
Yes.
and
My
lot.
just listen to me. Listen to me 1 second. My parents spent a lot of time and money for my education or on me.
Yes.
Okay. So spend is present tense. Spent is past tense.
Okay.
Okay, this
Spend
is more.
and spend.
Yes, so spent is past tense. So my parents spent a lot of money and time on me.
Yeah, right.
Okay, fine. So I'll just give you a few more words and let's try with past tense and present tense. Okay, it's going to be try to tell me something, any incident from your past. It could be simple incident like going for shopping or meeting a friend after a long time or a good day at your office. But from the past, think and give me a small, short incident, small situation from your past. You can even make it up.
So